And talk about the heat that we experienced for the last 7 days.
Yeah, scorcher. We broke some new records too. We'll get to that here in just a moment. But yesterday, 98 degrees in Portland, and that was coming off of a full week here in the upper 90s, triple digits sprinkled in there too in Portland. Average highs right now at this point in the year should still be around 84 degrees. So we've been running warm. Now the coast was a spot to go to avoid the heat. A lot of folks out there, a lot of corgis too out of Cannon Beach enjoying that weather. So we are cooling things down heading into the week. Again, a quick look at our heat tally for the summer season so far. We've seen 3 days in the triple digits. That matches last year's summer season when we also saw 3 days in the triple digits. Last year we did have the heat dome where we did hit 116 for our maximum temperature, and again, new record, hottest day ever, 116 in Portland. That was last year. But notice how we have about the same number of 90-degree days, a lot more 80-degree days last season. And again, this year, a lot more 70-degree days, about 21 of those. So again, we started off the summer last year with a lot more heat here. A little cooler for our June time, but still same number of 90s and triple-digit days. Now, we did break a record with this current heat wave. We saw 7 days in a row at 95 degrees or hotter, and that beat the old record of 6 days set twice here in 1981, also 1941. So this was a historical heat wave because of these numbers here. Again, we broke that record 7 days in a row above 95 degrees. We have not seen that in recorded history. Now, the good news is we are dropping these temperatures down. We're back in the upper 80s to mid 80s these next several days. Thursday will likely be our coolest day of the week in the upper 70s, maybe 80 degrees there, but again, we are dropping these temperatures away from the 90s and triple digits for a good handful of days. Now, the weekend, a chance that we're back in the 90s, so we'll watch that warmer trend. There's your peek outside, mid-70s. We've got some clouds overhead, also some high-level haze, too. You may notice that as we start to push out more of these clouds throughout the afternoon here, but hazy skies setting up. We will heat up to the upper 80s today, so still some toasty summer temperatures out the door. Now, take a look at our high-level smoke forecast. We've got a lot of smoke coming into the region here from down south in Northern California. The McKinney fire at about 55,000 acres in size, pushing up a lot of smoke. We're getting a touch of smoke from the Wendigo and Potter fires out in the Cascades too, again pushing up the valley and also out towards the east. So today will be hazy, but notice as we head our way into Tuesday, east winds start to pick up and we'll push that smoke out. So a little less haze and smoke tomorrow, not really impacting air quality around Portland either. This smoke is staying up in the higher levels of the atmosphere. Now, quick look at our wind gusts going into the evening time right near the Potter and Wendigo fires in the Umpqua National Forest. Again, we'll see some wind speeds maybe up to 20 miles per hour. Our humidity around 50%, which isn't too concerning here. We'll still see some tough conditions, a lot of heavy timber for firefighters to push out these fires. But again, we're a lot more concerned when we see these humidity numbers down to about 10 to maybe 30%. Right now, seeing them at around 50%. So this is better news as firefighters continue to fight those fires. But today also a chance we see some lightning strikes throughout the afternoon and evening. So a fire weather warning in place all across the central and east sides of the state. May see some lightning strikes popping up as we bring in that moisture and we heat things up in this region. So again, a chance for new fire starts from lightning. Just take a look here at our lightning map. You can see all those spots right across the Cascades in southern Oregon that may see some lightning. Now, quick look at our futurecast. We do stay dry as we head our way into the afternoon here. We'll actually push out more of these clouds. Notice some activity down in southern Oregon. A chance we still see some storms, but we're back under dry weather here and more sun breaks, more sunshine tonight and also heading into the rest of the week. So beautiful summer weather, a little cooler. We can all handle the 80s. I think we're much happier with this forecast than what we saw last week. So I'm excited. Beautiful days. Thursday again will be the coolest day if you plan to get outside. Not a bad day then. And then we'll track some heat again this weekend.
The break is going to be great.
It will be.
But now we've got all these wildfires starting
right
after the heat. So maybe this break will help that situation.
Yeah, hopefully bring in a little more moisture, and those cooler temperatures should help too.
We'll be right back.